Keto chicken and dumplings, gluten-free and delicious. Craving the warm, comforting hug of classic chicken and dumplings but stuck on your keto journey? You're in luck. This recipe reimagines the beloved dish with ingenious low-carb swaps, delivering all the rich flavors and fluffy goodness without the dreaded carb spikes. Get ready for creamy herb chicken nestled in a cloud of light, pillowy almond flour dumplings, a keto dream come true. Serves 4 to 6 happy bellies. Ingredients: soup, 1 tablespoon avocado oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, diced, 8 cups chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. Dumplings: 1½ cups almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup cold butter, cubed, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk. Instructions: 1. Soup simmer, heat avocado oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. 2. Chicken power, add diced chicken and cook until golden brown on all sides. Pour in chicken broth, heavy cream, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Bring to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through. 3. Dumpling dough magic, in a medium bowl, whisk together almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and xanthan gum. Cut in cold butter using a pastry cutter or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. 4. Wet and wild, in a separate bowl, whisk together egg and almond milk. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until a soft dough forms. Don't overmix. 5. Dumpling dance, using a spoon or your hands, drop heaping tablespoons of dough onto the simmering soup. Cover the pot and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or until dumplings are fluffy and cooked through. 6. Creamy bliss, serve hot, garnished with fresh herbs like parsley or chives, and savor the comforting warmth of keto-friendly chicken and dumplings heaven. Tips and tricks: pre-shred your chicken for quicker simmering. Adjust herbs and spices to your taste. Feeling adventurous? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a kick. Leftovers? Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stove top or in the microwave. For a richer flavor, swap almond milk for chicken broth in the dumplings. So ditch the guilt and dive into this keto-approved twist on a classic comfort food. With its creamy broth, juicy chicken, and fluffy almond flour dumplings, this recipe is sure to warm your soul and satisfy your cravings without derailing your keto journey. Now, go forth and conquer the comfort food scene, the keto way.